Let's examine how to hide pages on the home screen of an iPhone. This home screen has multiple pages containing apps. If you want to simplify your home screen, you can hide apps that you don't use often. But you must have at least one page of apps visible, in addition to the app library. The app library always appears as the last page on your home screen. Here you can search for any app on your device. To hide pages on your home screen, long press and hold in the empty space. The icons will enter jiggle mode. While the icons shake, tap the dots at the bottom of the screen. All of your home screen pages will be checked. To hide one or more pages, tap the check mark underneath the page you want to hide, and that page will be hidden. Remember that you have to have at least one page of apps visible, in addition to the app library. In this example, that means you will have multiple pages of apps available. On the home screen, all of your pages are still there. They haven't been deleted. To show a page, tap the empty circle once more so the check mark will reappear. Tap Done to return to your home screen. If you swipe left then right, you will see multiple pages, the first page and the app library. You can access any app on your phone. If you don't see the page it's on, just swipe all the way right to open the app library and start typing the name of the app you need. In this example, CapCut is the app we need to use. Tap the app when it appears in the list. Thanks for watching. Here's a YouTube video you might like. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Subscribe for more videos like this.